Hello, welcome to Sniper Trades. Today I am going to show you all how I calculate the intraday levels which I post in our Telegram channel. For those who don't know about our Telegram channel, please install Telegram app, then click the Telegram channel button here to join us. Also hit the subscribe button and also enable the bell icon right next to it to get all the notification when I upload a new video. I'll be uploading new video about technical analysis, intraday and position trades and much more. So let's move on to the levels calculation. This is the Excel file which I use to calculate the intraday levels. It includes all the framework and calculations which are automated to calculate the levels. For calculating the levels, we have to import some data from nsindia.com. First, let's calculate the levels for Asian Paints. First, go to nsindia.com. Type the name of the stock, that is Asian Paints. Then click derivative codes. Select the contract details, that is I am selecting October contract. Then click historic data. We have to take 1 month data. Select 1 month and click get data. Now copy this entire field. And go to our Excel sheet, go to sheet 3 and paste here. Now we have got the details of the contract for past 1 month here. We have to input the closing price of previous 10 days into respective columns here. We have to input the last traded price or closing price of this contract for past 10 days. So for that, first we have to input equal to and go to sheet 3 and click the closing price of 27th September 2019 and click enter. Now the closing price of 27th September is placed into SL number 1. Now simply click and drag downwards to the 10th column. The closing price of previous 10 days is successfully placed into corresponding columns. Now we have to input reference price here. Reference price is nothing but previous day's closing price. We are calculating the levels for next day, so we have to for that the closing price of previous days is today's price. Today is 27th September 2019, so we are placing the closing price of 27th September 2019 into the reference price. Just type here 1776.55 and click somewhere else. The levels are automatically calculated here. Let's check it in the chart. Enable 3-minute chart. I am using here Heikin chart in 3 minutes. Let's mark the levels here. According to the Excel calculations, uptrend starts at 1789.89. Around here. This is the significant resistance. So if the price breaks this level, the probability of price going further upwards is more. That is what the Excel file says us. Similarly, just mark the downtrend zone also. The Excel file says downtrend starts at 1763.21. Around here. So see, the Excel file automatically finds out the support and resistance which are significant. So see here, 1763.21 is the significant support here. Price has spent most of the time around here, this region. See, it is bouncing back upwards. Sometimes it breaks and gives us further downfall. So this is the significant support here. If the price breaking this level, further downfall is witnessed. Let's backtest this data. Let's calculate today's level. For calculating today's level, we have to input previous 10 days, that is, and reference take the reference price as 26th September 2019's closing price. Just see what I do. Put equal to here, go to sheet 3 and click the closing price of 26th September and click enter. Now simply click and drag downwards to the 10th column. Now the closing price from 26th September 2019 and backwards up to 10 days is placed in respective columns here. Now the closing price of 26th September 2019 should be placed here in reference column. Just type in here 1779.8. that is the closing price of 26th September 2019. See here, this is the levels for 27th September 2019. Let's check the chart if the target is achieved or not. It says downtrend starts at 1765.80. Around here. See, the price is getting rejected here. This level is acting as support and resistance. See, the price is spending much of the time here. Price getting slowed down around here. See, the price getting in upward direction and gets bounced back in this region. See, it is also bouncing back here also. But here, third time the price getting price breaking this level and going further upwards. So we got a sell advantage here. Also look at the uptrend zone, 1793.80. 93.80 is here. Today the levels are not the levels. Today the uptrend levels are marked here, 93.80. Price have not reached that level today. So today we only got a downtrend advantage. Similarly, let's check ACC levels. Type here ACC. Click derivative codes. Select the contract October future, click historic data, import 1 month data, copy this entire field, go to sheet 3 and paste it here. Let's delete the previous data. Now click paste. Similarly, put equal to. Now go to sheet 3 and click the closing price of 26th September 2019 and click enter. Now drag. Now simply drag downwards. Now the reference price is 26 September 2019 closing price 1659.5. This is the levels for 27th September 2019. Let's back test. Let's go to ACC chart in 3 minutes. Let's mark the levels. So the Excel file says upturn starts at 1673.52. 73.52. See, the price has not reached that level today. So we have not got the long position today. Similarly, let's mark the downtrend zone here. So the calculation says downtrend starts at 1645.48. See, today the price have broken this support level and further moved down, and let's see what is the low made here. 1634.10. Let's calculate what's the profit potential. $1645.48. Okay, 40 minus 1634.10. We got 11.3 points. And what's the lot size of ACC? 400 into 400. So there was a 4,520 rupees profit here. Let's see how much target have it achieved. The low made is 1634.10. So target 1 is achieved. This is the method in which I calculate the intraday levels for stock, futures, index, commodities, etc. There is a slight difference between the calculation in commodities and index. We are taking 15 minutes closing price, 15 minutes chart. I'll show you. Wait. For calculating the levels of Nifty and banknifty, that is index, we are taking the closing price of previous day's closing price in 15 minutes time frame. So let's say this is the closing price of today in 15 minute time frame, 11,578.50. is the closing price for today. This we will type in the SL number 1, and in SL number 2 we will type the closing price of previous day, that is 26 September closing price in 50-minute chart, 11,627.98. This we will type in the SL number 2. Likewise we will input the previous closing price of 10 days, and then reference price is nothing but previous day's closing price only. For commodities also we will follow this same method.